Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can enable USB debugging in your device Redmi A1 Plus. So if you want to enable USB debugging in your device Redmi A1 Plus, you can do it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video till end and you will learn how you can enable USB debugging in your device.